In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Exness password. If you need to update your password for security reasons or simply want to create a new one that's easier for you to manage, this process is straightforward and only takes a few moments. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, go to your Exness personal area. This is the main dashboard where you manage your account settings, trading accounts, and security options. Once you're signed in, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct page before moving forward. From there, click on Settings. This section contains the main controls for your account, including profile preferences and security-related options. If you're not sure where to find it, look through the main navigation area until you see the Settings option. After opening Settings, click on Security. This is where Exness places the tools related to protecting your account, including login credentials and other security preferences. Since you're changing your password, this is the section you'll need. Next, go to Login Details. In this area, you'll find the information connected to how you access your account. This includes your password settings, so make sure you're in the correct subsection before continuing. Now find the password option and click Change next to it. This will open the password update form. At this point, Exness is ready for you to enter your new login password. Enter your new password and then repeat it in the confirmation field. Be careful while typing, so both entries match exactly. It's a good idea to create a strong password that combines upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters if the platform allows them. Also, avoid using obvious or easily guessed information. Since this is tied to your account security, choosing a strong password is important. Once you've entered the new password in both fields, click Confirm. This final step submits the change and updates your account password. After that, your new password should be active. It's a smart idea to store it somewhere secure, especially if you use a password manager. Also, if you're logged in on multiple devices, you may need to sign in again using the updated password, and that's it. That's how to reset your Exness password quickly and securely.